we demand the full restoration of Jannat-ul-Baqee and Jannat-ul-Mu'alla, burial sites of the Prophet's family, and also demand respect for the pilgrims who visit these holy sites. Brothers and sisters, as we speak, more and more historic sites are being destroyed. Many sites that you may have seen 5 to 10 years ago may not be the same today. The enemies of Islam continue to destroy these holy sites. We would like to tell the Saudi government that if they're not the enemies of Allah, if they're not the enemies of Islam, the enemies of Prophet Muhammad, the enemies of the family of Prophet Muhammad, and the enemies of the companions of Prophet Muhammad, they should immediately start the rebuilding of the holy sites at Jannat-ul-Baqee and Jannat-ul-Mu'alla and the rest of the holy sites which were destroyed. We would also like to ask the U.S. government and all the people and organizations who support religious freedom to support us in our efforts to rebuild the holy sites that were destroyed in Saudi Arabia and demand respectful treatment for the pilgrims who go to these sites. We would also like to ask the U.S. government to condemn the burning of the Quran, because it is the same ideology between the destruction of these holy sites and the burning of the Holy Quran. We are the followers of Ahlul Bayt and the followers of Prophet Muhammad, who follow the Ahlul Bayt and the Holy Quran, and we cannot tolerate the burning of the Holy Quran anywhere. So we demand, we ask the U.S. government to condemn these burnings of the Holy Quran and support religious freedom. Al-Baqee! Al-Baqee! Rebuild Al-Baqee! 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 Rebuild Al-Baqee! 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 Rebuild Al-Baqee! 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 Rebuild Al-Baqee! We will not stop our efforts and protest until all of these sites are rebuilt and all the visitors to these sites are given respect and the Holy Quran is given respect. In the end, we would like to send our condolences to our 12th Imam, Imam Mahdi, and we pray for his reappearance and the hastening of his reappearance in this dua. Allahumma salli wa sallim صلواتنا عليه وعلى آله في هذه الساعة وفي كل ساعة وليا وحافظا وقائدا وناصرا ودليلا وعينا حتى تسكنه والبكاء طوعا وتمتعه فيها كبيرا. اللهم صل على محمد وعلى محمد. يا إمام الأجل 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 يا إمام الأجل 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 يا إمام الأجل لبيك لبيك يا جلال لبيك 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 يا جلال لبيك 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 يا جلال لبيك. البقيء 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 البقيء. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shia killing no more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shia killing no more. What do we want? Justice. What do we want? Justice. What do we want? No. Al-Baqee, Al-Baqee. Rebuild Al-Baqee. Al-Baqee, Al-Baqee. Rebuild Al-Baqee. Al-Ajal, Al-Ajal. Ya Imam Al-Ajal. Al-Ajal, Al-Ajal. Ya Imam Al-Ajal. Al-Ajal, Al-Ajal. Ya Imam Al-Ajal. Al-Baqee, Al-Baqee. Rebuild Al-Baqee. Takbir. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Takbir. Allah.